I'm Brandi Sangster. I'm a kindergarten teacher here at Dwight D. Eisenhower K-8 school. We try to make learning fun by doing as many hands-on activities, doing fun callbacks. We also really love to do cool routines in our classroom. We wish you well. When I read them a story, I love to use expression. Someone is looking at us. And I love to see the reaction in their faces light up when we're reading. P-L-A. It's my passion to help them feel successful and thrive. They are reading, they are writing incredible things.
I want to be a teacher.
You are this week's Think a Teacher winner. Thank you so much. We're so proud of you.
This is a teacher who's dedicated her life to make sure that our students are successful in theirs.
One of the most kindest teachers.
The progress my son has made from beginning to now, I know is just all to her.
She's my love of my life, and I love her, and I appreciate her for everything that she has accomplished here.
It felt like I am making a difference, and it was just really a once-in-a-lifetime kind of moment. It was really special. This has been such a wonderful school year.
Hey, Palm Beach County, who will you nominate next?